In the last ukulele lesson, we learned 2 great Travis picking patterns. In this fingerstyle ukulele lesson, we're going to be applying those patterns to a great song, Love Me Do by the Beatles. We'll practice and play the Travis picking patterns to give this song more of a country rockabilly feel. I am stoked to share this video with you because this video will be a little longer than my other tutorials, but that's because at the end we're going to play the entire song together. So I hope you'll stick around for the final jam session where we put all the elements together. You can click the links below this video anytime during this lesson to access bonus content that will teach you all the harmonica solos that John Lennon played. There are a whole lot of goodies waiting for you as a member of Ukulele Zen. Click the links down below to learn more, and thank you so much for your support. First, let's polish up our strum. Chances are you would play the G7 to C7 change with a strum kind of like this. Down, down, up, up, down. We'll be playing it faster later. So a great first step is just to be able to hold down the chords. Good solid tone, changing them on time. You can hear how I'm letting the chords ring out for their full value. That is an amazing first step, and please look upon that as an accomplishment. To go deeper, what we can do is to add a little bit of space. And by adding this space, you're going to improve the groove. Let me show you what I mean. Once in a while, you add a little bit of space. Here's where the space happens. Down, down, up, touch. I am touching very lightly on the outside of my palm, not smacking, just silencing. Try it with me. Down, down, up, touch. While I touch, this index finger's engaged, is ready to go. Up, down, up. So we're splitting up the pattern with a little silence. Let's practice applying this concept to the first verse. To begin, place your fingers on the G7 chord and I will count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Love, love me do. You know I love you. I'll always be true. So please, love me do. Did you catch that triplet feel I did? Here's how you play it. So please, 2, triplet, triplet, 1. So what I'm doing is there are 2 bars of C7. The second bar, I'm adding 2 beats of triplets. It's not hard to play the triplet once you get used to the strokes. The pattern is index points out, the thumb sweeps through, the index comes up. The motion is the finger pointing, like you're flicking something, but lightly. Now the thumb is moving, but the motion is generated from the wrist, and then the index finger moves, and the motion is generated from the wrist, kind of like if you were opening up a doorknob. Let's get comfortable with these 3 strokes, then we're going to drop them into the tune. Triplet, your turn now. Triplet, wait and go. Triplet, one more time. Triplet. Be sure to pause the video, get comfortable with this stroke, and see if you can do 2 in a row. Triplet, triplet down with me. Triplet, triplet down. 2 more. Triplet, triplet down. Come on. Triplet, triplet down. This triplet pattern, along with the little silences we drop in, really boosts your musicality of your strumming. So please, 1, 2, triplet, triplet, stop. Love me do. Now, in just a moment, we're going to start the fingerstyle, and I'm going to be showing you how to play that triplet fill in fingerstyle. It's not as hard as you might think, and I'll be breaking it all down for you. Let's get into the fingerstyle country rockabilly patterns now. If you're enjoying this video so far, though, will you take a moment and just please tickle the like button, share this video with your friends, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, what questions you have, and what requests you have for future lessons. I love reading each and every comment that comes from you. Thank you for taking a moment to click like. It really does help this video to spread to more enthusiastic learners like you. Please sign my mailing list down below. You'll receive a free music track when you do, and you'll be kept in the loop of new videos and in-person events with me. Thanks so much. Let's keep on going. Now let's apply the Travis picking pattern so we get a country rockabilly feel. It sounds super cool. This is what we'll be doing. I'll be breaking it down for you nice and slow here. These are patterns 1 and 2 combined. It's where we left off in the previous tutorial. You can click right here to watch the previous tutorial that will outline both of these patterns in detail. Here's a quick slow motion review. On the G7 chord, you play pattern 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then on the C7 chord, you play pattern 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. When you put them together, it sounds like this. Going for a smooth, flowing motion. 1, 2, 3, 4. See if you can keep that thumb bouncing back and forth between the 4th and the 3rd string. It's really helpful to tap your foot right along with the thumb. And it goes like this. Love, love me do. You know I love you. I'll always be true. Stay here. When we get to this part that goes, so please, we're going to stay on pattern 2 and add a triplet fill. Sounds like this. So please, love me do. I'm playing it very slow here just to outline it for you. Triplet, triplet, stop. Now what those triplets are forward banjo rolls. Thumb, index, middle, thumb, index, middle. The thumb is hopping back and forth between the 4th and the 3rd string. Hold down your C7 chord and play thumb, index, middle, and then switch to the 3rd string, thumb, index, middle. Just do this nice and slow at first. Get comfortable with the thumb hopping back and forth between those strings while these fingers stay on the same ones. When you put it all together, triplet, 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 triplet. Strive for a smooth motion. The fingers feel like they're just swinging through the strings. And just like a train leaving the station, see if you can soften up. Try less as you pick up the speed. And then come back into the station. That little exercise of accelerating and slowing down will really train you to try less as you go faster. With mindful practice, you will get this under your fingers. Remember, nothing is hard, it's just unfamiliar. Now, how do we get familiar with things? By playing them slowly, focusing on how soft can we make the motion. Can you focus more on the follow through? Nice and soft. Take a deep breath. Get familiar with it. Appreciate yourself for showing up and trying something new. Give yourself a big pat on the back for trying something more difficult. Drop by drop, the bucket gets filled. When we get to the middle 8, we're going to be playing just pattern 2. You can drop that triplet feel in at the end. The chords are D7. You can play any fingering of D7 that you like, then C7 and G7. It sounds like this. 3. Someone to love, somebody new, someone to love, someone like triplet, triplet, stop. Love, love me do. You can go back to the strum, mix and match, play it any way you like. I'm sure Sir Paul will approve of however you want to interpret the song. All right, let's play the whole song together. This is in the same key as the original Beatles recording. We're just going to play it a little bit slower at 132 beats a minute. If you'd like to learn the harmonica solos that I'm playing, please click the links in the description down below to access bonus lessons and get access to a huge library of helpful tutorials, song sheets, uke tabs, jam tracks. There's a whole lot of goodies waiting for you at Ukulele Zen. Thanks so much. Let's jam. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Love me do, you know I love you, I'll always be true, so please love me do, oh love me do, oh yeah yeah love me do, oh 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 love me do. Love me do, love me, love me, love me do, love me do, yeah, love me do, oh, oh, love me do. Thanks so much for playing along and watching all the way to the end. You can click right here for a playlist of more ukulele Beatles tutorials from Ukulele Zen. Look forward to seeing you there and making music with you soon.